Okay, so today I played Animal Company's new Halloween update, and it gets spooky. Don't look. And I mean spooky.
Guys, hurry! Get out! Everyone's dying! It's time for us! Oh my god! God, what do we do?
Run away! Also, make sure to watch to the end, because this is going to be crazy. Anyways, if you want to know what map I'm playing right now, it should be right above right there. And then, yeah, you could play it, you could do whatever you want. You could beat my record. This took me a really long time to make, so I'd appreciate if you go play it. Gee.
Yo, I know how to get the
where's
key. Go to mansion,
I know how to get the key. I hate this update.
Okay, damn no. I am not going to. I'm never going in here again alone.
There's a red flashlight. We need it. Whoever has a red flashlight, get.
Nah.
Nah,
I am leaving this place. Just kill me, man. I want it.
Yo, I know where to get the key.
Just bite my head.
Yo, I know where to get the key.
I'm going to sewers. Oh my gosh. They updated the mimic. Box more natural. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so the mimic walks differently. I think this part was updated too. I think that's closer to the thing. But I'm so scared right now. Okay, I'm going down. Did they update this? No, they did not update this part. Watch this. Actually, no, it's too risky.
Oh, does anybody know what?
Oh, all you have to do is walk forward. I know the things aren't here at the start anymore. What?
What is the camp? Look at the ghost or you'll die!
Yeah, don't look at the ghost. Is it over here? Is it down over here? Okay. Yeah, it's probably over here. Yep, it is. You could see the purple light. I feel like there's a monster just gonna pop up at me. Just like at the haunted mansion. It's okay, it takes 3 bites to kill you. Okay, easy. See how much one bag gives you.
What are you doing?
I sold one of the gravity bags in sewers. Okay?
That's how much they cost now?
2,000. Yes! That's way better.
Oh my god.
Come on, guys, hurry! Get out! Everyone's dying! It's time for us! Oh my god! God, what do we do?
Run away!
It's out here!
Rudolph!
Where's everyone?
There.
JKL9. JKL9. That's the code where the key is. We're going to.
Oh my
He's right
gosh.
What do I do in this place?
Sebastian, stop flexing.
God damn it, I'm so chat. So I'm in cop. I'm in copper chat.
Hurry, run!
I just did not move.
Do not follow me.
Run!
Do not follow
Run!
me.
I found the key!
Oh my gosh, what do we do with the key?
Found the key! Found the key!
Oh,
I got a bad photo.
come on.
Let's just go down.
Just go down.
Alright, guys.
Oh!
What the?
We're collapsing! We're collapsing!
Oh my gosh. Hello?
There's zero gravity!
Why am I dying?
Why am I dying? Why am I dying? Why am I dying? Go down to the water! Get in the water! I'm dead! What is... Dude, do I like collect these or like...
Just grab one!
Oh, it's a... Whoa, what is this?
I got it!
We're in the upside down.
Do I... No! Do I go down? What do I do? What do I do?
Don't be good, just jump
Do we
down,
go
jump
down?
do that.
Yo, do we jump down?
Can I do this shit?
What is... Oh my god, jump into
Oh my gosh.
teleporter, y'all.
Why am I upside down?
Like,
Can I do this shit?
hosting hearts at the bottom.
Is everyone upside down?
Don't grab the pulsing.
Let's go.
I mean, whatever your name is.
Yeah, don't grab
Where do we
it.
go? Yes, I'm over.
Sorry, what? The lava. So they got the floor is lava.
How am I supposed to do this?
Dude, this is so fun.
No, can you
Oh my gosh, this update's the coolest update.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! I'll grab it! I'll take it up there! I'll take it up there for you!
You sure?
I'll take it up there for you! Yes, I promise!
Yo, can you put...
What? I thought everyone was upside down. Was that just me? I was upside down the whole
I'm climbing
time?
up that tree.
No way, that was just me the whole time. I was upside
Sorry, I
down.
can't save you.
Do we jump up? Come on.
I'm the Sigma
Bro. Oh my gosh, that was the craziest thing I've ever done. What if you get 2 of them? What does that do? Bro, this update is insane. Wait, we should try and buy the thing. Don't look. Don't look.
Hi.
Hello?
Hello? There's still all these resources. No?
How do we...
I got 2 reds. I
Do we go down here?
think so. This way.
Come on.
No, you
Oh my
don't.
God.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Run my past him. Run my
Look
past
at
him.
it.
Don't!
Does it chase us? I don't think it does. Don't look.
He's right behind you.
It's down there somewhere. Why are you farting? This isn't the time.
Holy flip.
Step back, step back.
Go.
Find the key? Ooh, we have the ruby.
No. I'm up here.
I got one.
Everyone,
here.
come on.
Just follow me.
It's
Alright.
we checked in there. I didn't see it.
I'm in.
There's nothing.
I'm in mansion.
Follow me, follow me, follow me. This way,
Don't
chat.
look at
This
it.
way, chat.
Mansion.
This way, chat. This way, perfect, Johnny.
Just play perfect Jenny!
Dog.
No. Do not take my umbrella, please. I have a lot of money.
Guys, look at this picture I took. Look at this picture I took. Wait, show me. Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Nah, I'm not going down there.
Where'd it go? She's right there. Oh my god.
It just killed him.
The red flashlight also angers her.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
If you hold it for too long. Oh my god. Oh, key? I hear it. I sense it.
No, I'm.
No, I swear the key's in here.
Guys,
The yellow
don't
glow.
come in there.
Punch
Someone
your
step on the mine! Someone step on the mine for bunnies!
Why do you have a plunger on your back?
Someone step on the mine!
Oh my gosh.
My God! I'm scared! I'm scared!
Goodbye.
You know, can you just like stand still? I need to take a photo. I want to take a photo of me. I want to take a photo.
Does anyone know where the key is? Ooh, no.
Do it for the vine, aw boy.
Shut the f. I don't know where it is. Someone died. Someone
Oh,
died.
he is cooked.
Someone's dead.
Oh no. I'm ready to die.
Yo, I was launched up to the bookshelf. There's a bomb. I'm at the wrong spot.
No, it's this way.
Funny.
Frick. Oh my gosh. Hello? Wait, I'm actually so scared. Please. Hello? Oh, nah, I'm cooked. When I first saw that, I thought it was getting closer. That scared me so bad.
No, I didn't, you dummy.
So, I have a problem. She's standing right in front of there.
I'm exploring.
Come on.
There is singles in this building, but I don't know if they're hot or not.
Yeah, go
Usually
take
it's
a
in here.
Let's find out if there's hot singles. There's gotta
Yeah,
be
do
some
it.
hot singles here.
Found it right away.
Hot
Oh
single!
gosh. Found
We
it.
got a hot single, everybody! Let's take the hot single!
Found the hot single.
Yes, let's take the hot single! And open the core reactor of my death!
Come on.
Let's open it! This looks successful.
What's going?
Shoot.
They're not adamant.
Huh?
Oh, freak.
It's over here. What do you mean admin? I just died from that. No way. Go, go.
Go!
No.
Did it kill someone? I killed him.
Anyone at
did it
haunted
mean?
house right now?
That
Yes, we're at haunted
body. Hey,
house.
that body was hot though.
Found it.
Come on.
Got it.
I got it!
Or you got
Come
it.
on.
No, you got it.
This is a photo of her.
Okay, I'm in the house.
Okay. Something. What's so old? Right there.
What the fuck? Who just said that? I'm already at the...
Please.
I'm gonna go to the haunted house. Y'all wanna come?
How much does this painting sell for?
Down with the
Okay.
queen.
How much does this portrait cost?
I don't know. There's a cloudy chance of raining bananas.
So you buy me a grenade, so buy me a grenade.
Portrait cost 65.
65!
Oh shoot.
So you buy Let's go.
Well, actually,
Guys, go to the bottom. Go to the bottom and grab all the loot at the bottom. Everybody get down. Don't let the heart see you.
Or could pick up stuff.
Okay, freaking fuck.
You can pull yourself.
Come
And then with this, You could grab stuff.
Everything's frozen. We gotta do something.
Here, grab that.